Unveiling the meaning of veiled. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into a word that you might have come across in English literature or conversations, veiled. By the end of this video, you'll understand its different meanings and how to use it in sentences. So let's lift the veil off this term, shall we? When you hear the word veil, you might picture a thin piece of fabric, often worn by brides or women in certain cultures to cover their face or head. Similarly, veiled in its literal sense means covered by a veil. For example, the bride walked down the aisle with a veiled face, lifting it only when she reached the altar. In some cultures, it's customary for women to remain veiled in public. Now, English being the language it is, words often have figurative meanings. In this sense, veiled usually means concealed or disguised. When something is veiled, it isn't directly shown or said. For instance, his veiled threat made everyone in the room uneasy. She gave a veiled compliment, which was really more of a criticism. To help you better understand, let's see how veiled can be used in different contexts. 1. Literal, the sun was setting, casting a veiled glow over the city. 2. Figurative, her veiled intentions became clear only much later. Remember, context is crucial when determining if veiled is used literally or figuratively. And that's a wrap on veiled. Remember, words in English often have both a literal and figurative meaning. Always be on the lookout for these dual meanings as they can add depth to your understanding and use of the language. We hope this video has unveiled the mysteries of this term for you. Until next time, happy learning!